Hello friends, today I will let you know the method to find the equation of a straight line passing through the intersection point of two straight lines with certain specific conditions. Let us start the chapter. Let line L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and the line L2 is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Let these two lines L1 and L2 is represented as this and these two lines intersect at a point P. Then it is clear that so many lines can pass from this intersection point P. However, general equation of line passing through the intersection of L1, L2, that is point P, is L1 plus lambda times L2 is equal to 0, that is A1x plus B1y plus C1 plus lambda times A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. And by the specific condition of this line passing through the point P, we can find the value of lambda so that we can find the general equation of the line passing through the intersection point P with the given specific condition. Let us take an example. Suppose find the equation of line through the intersection of the lines 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and the point minus 4 comma 5. In this case, general equation of the line passing through the intersection point will be 4x minus 3y plus 7 plus lambda times 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. If we take x common, then it will be 4 plus 2 lambda plus y minus 3 plus 3 lambda plus 7 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Let this is the line passing to the point minus 4 comma 5. Since this line passes to minus 4 comma 5, therefore this point minus 4 comma 5 will satisfy the equation of this line. Therefore, it will be minus 4 plus 2 lambda plus 5 minus 3 plus 3 lambda plus 7 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. It is minus 16 minus 8 lambda minus 15 plus 15 lambda plus 7 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Therefore, 15 plus 5, 20 lambda, 20 minus 8, that is 12 lambda, minus 16 minus 15 is equal to minus 31, minus 31 plus 7, that is minus 24, is equal to 0, implies that lambda is equal to 2. Now we put this value of lambda in this equation. Therefore, it will be x 4 plus 2 into 2 plus y minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 7 plus 5 into 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4x 4 plus 4 plus y minus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 is equal to 0. That is 8x 6 minus 3, that is plus 3y plus 17 is equal to 0. Therefore, this 4x plus 3y plus 17 is the equation of required line which passes through minus 4 comma 5 and the intersection point of these two lines, that is 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we come to the second example. Find the equation of line through the point of intersection of the lines 5x minus 3y is equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and required line, first line should be perpendicular to the line x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. A second line should be parallel to the line x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, as we know that general equation of line through the intersection of these two lines will be 5x minus 3y minus 1 plus lambda times 2x plus 3y minus 23 is equal to 0. It can be written as x 5 plus 2 lambda plus y minus 3 plus 3 lambda minus common 1 plus 23 lambda is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of this line can be written as coefficient of minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is minus 5 plus 2 lambda upon minus plus 3 plus lambda. Let this is m1. Now the equation of the line is given as x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of this line will be minus 1 upon minus 1 is equal to 1, that is 1. Let this is m2. In the first case, we have to find the line perpendicular to the x minus y plus 4. Since this line with slope m1 and this line with slope m2 are perpendicular, therefore m1 into m2 is equal to, implies that minus 5 plus 2 lambda upon minus 3 plus 3 lambda is equal to minus 1. This minus will be cancelled out. Now by cross multiplying, we know that 5 plus 2 lambda is equal to minus 3 plus 3 lambda. That is lambda comes, therefore implies that 5, 3 come here, that is 8 is equal to lambda. Now we put the value of this lambda in this equation, then it will be x 5 plus 2 into 8 plus y minus 3 plus 3 into 8 minus 1 plus 23 into 8 is equal to 0. That is x 5 plus 16 plus y minus 3 plus 24 minus 1 plus 23 into 8, that is 184 is equal to 0, implies that x, that is 16 plus 5, that is 21x, that is this plus this, that is plus 21y minus 185 is equal to 0. It is the equation of the required line which is perpendicular to this in passing through the intersection of this. Now we come to second part, the required line parallel to the line this. Now in this case, this line is parallel to this line, therefore m1 should equal to m2. That is m1 should equal to m2, implies that minus 5 plus 2 lambda upon minus 3 plus 3 lambda is equal to 1. Therefore, by cross multiplying, we know that minus 5 minus 2 lambda is equal to minus 3 plus 3 lambda, implies that minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 lambda plus 3 lambda, implies that minus 2 is equal to 5 lambda, implies that lambda is equal to minus 2 by 5. As we have already found that the general equation passing through the intersection of two given lines is this, therefore we will put the value lambda is equal to minus 2 by 5 in this equation. Therefore, this equation will be x 5 plus 2 into minus 2 by 5 plus y minus 3 plus 3 into minus 2 by 5 minus 1 plus 23 into minus 2 by 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, it can be written as x 525 minus 4 upon 5 plus y 3 minus 15 minus 6 upon 5 minus 5 minus 46 upon 5 is equal to 0. It can be written as x 21 upon 5 plus y minus 21 upon 5 minus 5, that is minus 41 upon 5 is equal to 0. It can be written as 21x minus 21y plus 41 is equal to 0. Therefore, this line 21x minus 21y plus 41 is the line which is parallel to the x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0, and it is passing to the intersection of these two lines. It is all for today. Now I request you to subscribe my channel so that you may get the notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you.